Introduction to Tasker Automation.
This powerful Android app that lets you automate just about anything on your smartphone. With Tasker, you can set your device to respond to specific events, saving time and effort. Whether you want to silence your phone at night, send automatic texts, or launch apps at certain times, Tasker helps you boost efficiency with ease.
Setting up your first Tasker profile.
To get started, open Tasker and tap the Profiles tab. Select the plus icon to create a new profile. Choose a context, like time or location, which acts as a trigger. For example, set a profile to automatically turn on Wi-Fi when you get home. Once you've picked a trigger, Tasker will prompt you to link it to a task.
Creating and linking tasks.
After selecting a trigger, you'll create a task for Tasker to perform. Tap New Task, give it a name, and tap the plus sign to add actions. For instance, select Net and choose Wi-Fi to turn it on. You can chain multiple actions like adjusting brightness or sending notifications. Save your task to activate its automation anytime the trigger condition is met.
Popular Tasker automation examples.
Tasker can automate everyday routines, such as silencing your phone during meetings by scheduling a profile based on your calendar. You could set your device to read out texts while driving or lower the screen brightness at night. These automations help you stay focused, minimize interruptions, and make the most of your smartphone's capabilities.
Tips for beginner Tasker users.
Start with simple profiles and tasks until you're comfortable with Tasker's interface. Use descriptive names for your profiles and tasks to stay organized. Don't hesitate to explore Tasker's built-in help and online communities for inspiration and troubleshooting tips. With a little practice, you can unlock the full power of Android automation.